Restylane Lift has now been FDA approved for hand restoration. We have this lovely client of ours who is going to let us do this live today. We are going to actually create some great rejuvenation to her hands so that the tendons, the vessels will look softer and smoother. And she should be able to get about a good 6 to 7 months out of just today's treatment.